Home Remedies presents.
Doctors will never tell you this. Improve your vision in 40 days. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you the simplest, the best and most natural way for improving eyesight, increasing memory and treating headache. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Poor eyesight has turned out to be a common occurrence in our world. It is of two types, nearsightedness or farsightedness. More and more people have either started wearing glasses and contact lenses to deal with poor eyesight. But does anyone like wearing them? The answer is no, right? So today I have bring forward the simplest and most natural way of improving eyesight. Mishri is good for eyes. It is used in traditional medicines to improve vision with fennel seeds and almonds. The ingredients you can easily purchase from any grocery store. Now how to make the wonder remedy. You will need ingredients: almonds 100 grams, rock sugar also referred to as mishri 100 grams, fennel seeds 50 grams, black pepper 25 grams. Preparation. The remedy is very simple to make. Grind them well in a food processor until you get a fine powder. Store the mixture in an airtight plastic container or a glass vessel. Dose: ingest 1 tablespoon of this powder with milk at night daily. Avoid drinking water after this. Do this every night before going to bed. Continue for a minimum of 40 days and you will definitely see your eyesight getting better. Soon you will be able to see objects around you without your glasses on. Isn't that amazing?
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.